Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is one of my favorite fragrances. I own over 20, 30 fragrances right now, and this is one of my best compliment getters. This is the Versace Eros Flame. So one of the best things that this fragrance has is this opening fruity, but at the same time is a little bit vanilla and fruity. So this is a great compliment getter when it comes to having or going out, going to special occasions. And this is the projection king, I call it, because wherever I go, it projects. I'm sitting there, and the fragrance is like it has his own personality. It goes to different places. It goes back. You even feel it in your nose all the time. So it's a strong. So I have clothes that I've sprayed on. It has weeks and still smells like it, like the same day I sprayed it on. So if you're in a younger environment, you're maybe 20 to 25, 30, this is a great fragrance to go out because people are just, it's just a mass appealing. You're not going to go wrong with this. The projection, you would have to spray maybe 3, 4 times. You're going to be just fine. So this has been great for me, and this is one of my favorites. And I own several other fragrances, and I just like this one too much. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.